Hello, we are at Lamborghini again. It's always exciting to be here. Today we're shooting this lime green Verde Mantis 2021 Lamborghini Eros Super SUV.
Look at the size of the wheels.
This 2021 Euros finally reveals Lamborghini's new key design, which I think is pretty cool. Now before I drive, let's go through some of the driving modes. We've got the usual 3 driving modes with Strada or Street, Sport, and Corsa for race. But we've also got Sabia, which represents sand, Terra, which represents earth or all-terrain, and Neve, which is snow.
Strada, stop, start, off. Let's just go.
Okay. You okay?
Okay, I'm okay.
Just gonna move this forward a smidge.
I'm okay. Indicators are on the left. It's a very new car. Alright. Just driving a Lamborghini of the lot.
No worries.
Let's go. No walkers.
No walkers,
Just admire
mate.
our reflection. Alright, I think we've got a good run. Let's just go. I'm gonna put it in sport.
Jesus
Oh yeah.
Christ.
That's better. Now we're driving a Lambo. Left here?
Yeah.
Left here. This is chicken city.
Turn left, then you will
Oh,
arrive
everyone's
at
gonna
your
think we're
destination.
doctors. Oh, there it is. There's the car park. Just to make sure I don't scrape.
Alright.
How do I look? Right side as well?
Your side.
Right side? Thank you. When I turn, I just got to watch the right rear wheel as well.
Watch that wheel.
Oh man, I was expecting this to be empty. Hooray!
So we're just having a quick break and I thought I'd go and look through the options list on this car. So the base price we're looking at is $395,888. This options list is absolutely freaking insane. So check out this. The paint color, which is Verde Mantis Pearl Effect, is in fact $17,144. The 23-inch rims in shiny black. These big motherfuckers are an option of 9,898 Aussie dollars. The black gloss style package, $3,712. The rear diffuser in high gloss black, $2,298. Rear spoiler. This thing is a bargain. This is only $884. This is my favorite. The carbon ceramic brake package with green calipers, $2,298. A bit of a bargain in comparison to what you actually get because you've got these carbon ceramic brakes. Soft closed doors. That's standard. I like this one. Oh shit.
This Muppet.
Full electric seats with ventilation and massage, $5,832. We'll have to try out the massage feature on the way back. The digital radio is $1,414. Q Citura stitching on leather. I don't know what that means. I assume that must be this. $6,186. This contrast stitching is $1,414. The embroidered Lamborghini shield on headrests, $1,767. At least unlike with the other Lamborghinis, you get 4 headrests rather than just 2. Big interior carbon fiber package. Note, big interior carbon fiber package, $9,721. Steering wheel with perforated leather inserts, $1,237. So all this extra perforation is an additional cost, and it does feel really mint. Contrast stitching on the steering wheel is an extra $707. So the Bang & Olufsen Advanced 3 audio system, $11,665. The off-road modes with trailer towing prep, $1,237. The ambient light package, $5,832. Door lights with Lamborghini logo is $995. Floor mats with leather piping and double stitching, $1,237. Gosh, I really should take my shoes off. Oh, there we go. So this is standard. What we have here is a 4-litre V8 twin turbo with 650 brake horsepower. It's 478 kilowatts at 6,000 RPM. It does 850 Newton meters of torque, goes 305 kilometers an hour, and does 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. The total options fitted is $101,915. So the grand total of $497,803. That's $500,000 before dealer delivery and on-road costs.